I'm videoing.
Well, I want a picture too.
I'll take a picture afterwards.
Kaylee, come here.
I don't mind them being here. I don't like to be late.
No, I don't want her. Come here. Get up here. Get up here. Sit. Stop.
Ah,
Alright. Been a big one.
I've been studying Philippians. I was trying to pass my it. I don't like this next sermon.
I've been reading Philippians this week.
I've already read it twice.
Oh, I've read it.
And listen
I've
to
read
the
it
sermon.
many times.
And I've started on a study Bible too today.
It's not gonna slide out. I'm just gonna rip it.
Uh-oh. That's probably why you can't put it on Facebook. Wow. What kind of is it?
Open it up. Don't point it at us.
Alright.
What are you supposed to do with it?
Have to check it.
That's right. Take the magazine out. Point it down, Ryan. You know how to do it. Push the button. Probably hard because it's new.
You're pointing right at your dad.
Yeah. Push the button and pull it out.
I'm pushing it up
On
or
the
down.
side. On the side, Ryan.
Oh, I'm pushing the wrong one.
Yeah.
That's
Now
why.
open it up. Don't point it at me.
Well, that's a dumb video. You're hollering at him.
I was pressing the wrong button.